Ever raided your piggy bank as a kid, that satisfying feeling of holding cold, hard cash in your hand? Crypto might be digital, but there's a similar thrill to transferring it out of an exchange and into your own wallet. You take control, become your own bank, and that little bit of crypto feels real. Maybe you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast, or perhaps you're just dipping your toes in. Regardless, if you use Gemini and want to move your crypto to a personal wallet, this video is for you. We'll walk you through the withdrawal process step by step, making sure your crypto gets where it needs to go, safely and securely. Before we dive in, a quick heads up. Gemini, like most exchanges, charges a small network fee for withdrawals. This covers the cost of processing the transaction on the blockchain, which is kind of like the gas needed to power your crypto from one place to another. The fee can vary depending on the specific cryptocurrency, so keep that in mind when planning your transfer. Alright, with the formalities out of the way, let's get down to business. Step 1. Logging in and selecting your crypto. First things first, head over to the Gemini website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your portfolio. This will show you a breakdown of all the different cryptocurrencies you hold on Gemini. Find the one you want to withdraw and click on it. Step 2. Initiating the withdrawal. Now, things might look a little different depending on which device you're using, desktop or mobile app. But the general principle remains the same. Look for a button that says something like Withdraw or Transfer Out. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the withdrawal page. Step 3. The crucial part, your wallet address. Here's the most important step, entering your wallet address. This is the unique digital address where your crypto will be sent. Think of it like your crypto's personal mailbox. Now, security is paramount here. Double-check, triple-check that address before proceeding. One wrong keystroke, and your crypto could vanish into the digital abyss. Most wallets allow you to copy the address directly, so take advantage of that functionality. Pro tip 1. Test your withdrawal with a small amount. Feeling a little nervous? Here's a smart move. Before you transfer your entire crypto stash, consider doing a test withdrawal with a small amount first. This way, you can confirm everything works smoothly before committing to a larger transfer. Step 4. Network fees and confirmation. Now you'll likely see a section about network fees. Remember what we discussed earlier? This is where you'll see the exact amount Gemini will charge for processing the withdrawal. Review the fee, and if you're happy to proceed, confirm the transaction. Step 5. Security measures. 2FA might be required. Depending on your Gemini security settings, you might be prompted for an additional verification step. This could be a two-factor authentication code sent to your phone or email. Enter the code to finalize the withdrawal. Step 6. Patience is a virtue, especially on the blockchain. Once you confirm the withdrawal, it's time to relax, kind of. Transactions on the blockchain can take some time to process, depending on the specific cryptocurrency and network traffic. It could be a few minutes, or it could take an hour or so. Don't panic. You can usually track the progress of your withdrawal within your Gemini account or directly on a Blockchain Explorer website. Step 7. Welcome home, crypto. Finally, the glorious moment arrives. Your crypto has successfully landed in your personal wallet. You can now check your wallet balance to confirm it's there. Congratulations! You've just taken full control of your crypto. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Make sure you keep your wallet secure and your password strong. Bonus tip, consider using a hardware wallet. For an extra layer of security, think about using a hardware wallet. These are physical devices that store your crypto offline, away from the clutches of hackers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto adventures.